Tired of seeing everyone else getting instant cash with Beforepay while you're stuck waiting for your next paycheck? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the most common reasons why Beforepay might have denied your application. So, grab your phone and let's get started. Beforepay is a popular service that lets you access your earned wages early. It's a lifesaver for many people facing unexpected expenses or simply needing a little extra cash before payday. But, like any financial service, there are certain criteria you need to meet to get approved. Common reasons for denial. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Why was your Beforepay application denied? Here are some of the most common reasons. Employment verification issues. Beforepay needs to verify your employment and income. If your employer's information is incorrect or incomplete, it can lead to application denial. Tip: double-check all the information you entered during the application process. Ensure your employer's name, address, and contact details are accurate. Insufficient work history. Beforepay typically requires you to have been employed with your current employer for a certain period. Tip: if you've recently started a new job, you might need to wait a few weeks or months before you're eligible for Beforepay. Credit history concerns. While Beforepay doesn't always perform a traditional credit check, they may consider your creditworthiness. Tip: if you have any outstanding debts or a history of late payments, it could negatively impact your application. Income level. Beforepay may have minimum income requirements. If your income falls below a certain threshold, you may not be eligible. Tip: try to increase your income through overtime, a side hustle, or a raise. Too many applications. Applying for Beforepay too frequently within a short period can raise red flags. Tip: space out your applications to avoid being flagged for excessive activity. Technical issues. Sometimes, application denials can be due to technical glitches or errors on Beforepay's end. Tip: if you suspect a technical issue, contact Beforepay customer support directly. What to do next? So, your Beforepay application was denied. What now? Review the denial reason. Carefully review the reason for your denial provided by Beforepay. This will give you valuable insights into how to improve your chances of approval in the future. Contact Beforepay support. Reach out to Beforepay customer support to clarify the denial reason and explore potential solutions. Improve your financial standing. If your denial was due to credit history or income concerns, take steps to improve your financial situation. Explore alternatives. Consider alternative early wage access options, such as other earned wage access providers or employer-sponsored programs. Remember, every situation is unique. The reasons for your Beforepay denial may vary. This information is for general guidance only. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.